ep.219 and AM 740 KCBS. It's Friday morning, November 6, 2020. Coming up on KCBS, could this be the morning the election breaks for Joe Biden? Is lead widening in Pennsylvania and Nevada at this hour? Increasing chances a winner in the election could be called soon. Meanwhile, the president and his team continue to wage a battle aimed at undermining confidence in the election count.
Oh! Oh my God! What?
KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1. San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, a radio.com station.
Be ready for Jesus, brother! Be ready, he's coming! Jacob's trouble is about to begin. Google Jacob's trouble and Planet 7X. Be careful on that bike, man. They don't care about guys on bikes.
Yeah.
I used to ride, brother, years ago. It's worse now.
Yeah.
It's dangerous. They don't care about people. You gotta drive for everybody when you're on that, brother. But I'm telling you, brother, the rapture is about to take place. There's no more time for the New World Order. Their time is up. Jacob's trouble is about to begin. I'll see you there.
Soon.
Hey, Scotty. Jesus, man.
I thought you had a fucking taser too.
He's probably got.
Dude, they would not give you handcuffs in school. What student are you? What student are you arresting?
Yes, they do.
What student are you arresting?
I have fake handcuffs. I don't have real handcuffs.
Oh, so you have this.
You're the ones where you can like press
I
a little button.
Officially on the record is saying, I hope the cat lives forever. But, yeah, unfortunately that's because it's going to get, actually, but it is looking
You're about to run the light. You're about to run the light.
From when I was in the emergency vet with this cat, like, a few months ago to now, like, the cat's just like, I'm fine, what are you guys talking about? Like, I open human food and the cat gets all excited, wants to eat food. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, duty cat.
Yeah, it doesn't sound
by the Reagans and the Thatchers of an earlier generation.
Yeah, I mean, I agree that the term is often now used as an epithet by people further on the left, and that's not only to kind of smear folks on the center left who they disagree with, but also I think because they genuinely don't see a huge difference between
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.